And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Samara Kokinos.
It is 6:43 and it looks like the day is going to be a hot one. So as you head out, dress lightly in light colors. And of course, don't forget to stay hydrated throughout the day, especially if you work outdoors. You might also want to carry an umbrella. We are looking at 80 degrees to start the day, mainly dry, but then spotty showers or thunderstorms kind of pick up in the second half of the day as we heat up to the upper 90s and even the triple digits in parts of the valley. The First Warn 5 Doppler network has been relatively quiet, just showing those showers over the open Gulf waters kind of fizzling out. Looking at setup across the Lone Star State, we do have a few showers left, mainly west of the Big Bend and mainly along the coast, but that's about it. It looks like we're seeing a lot more drier air move into the valley. So with high pressure beginning to strengthen and this little upper level disturbance making its way away from deep South Texas, we can still get a spotty shower or thunderstorm today, but by tomorrow it strengthens a little bit more. Isolated brief showers possible, but over the weekend it looks like we're back to mainly dry conditions and the heat is really going to settle in. Notice there's really not much of a change. High pressure again reestablishes itself over Texas, reinforcing that dry and hot weather that we see this time of year. And I'm talking about triple digit heat with heat index values between 105 and 110 for several days next week. Let's take a look here at the high resolution future track model zoomed into the valley. A little bit closer view here. We stay quiet for the first half of the day. Only the clouds really start to build up in the first half. That by the second half of the day, that changes. Just after 1 o'clock, we could see a shower or a thunderstorm build up, and it could produce some heavy rain. You see that orange tinge there popping up from time to time on the map, but a lot of that activity fades away by 5 or 6 o'clock, and that's pretty much it. So it's nothing in terms of widespread coverage, but just a few spots may get that heavy rain. We're tracking the tropics, and here's a look at the Pacific Tropical Satellite, and this is basically looking at Fernanda. So let's take a look here. We have Tropical Storm Greg behind Fernanda, and in between that, Tropical Depression 8E. This particular system and Tropical Storm Greg are kind of going to work against each other, and what you're going to notice is that Tropical Storm Greg will continue that west to northwest pathway, but it'll remain tropical storm strength over the next few days, and then it eventually falls apart over the weekend. So we're really not expecting this to be an impressive system by any means. Fernanda will continue to weaken as it moves north over near the Hawaiian Islands, but really just a tropical depression at most. Looking at our own coastal forecast, a moderate chop on the bay, southeast winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. So fishermen, a great day to get out there and do some fishing. High tide was really early this morning around 2:30, so low tide is at 6:24 tonight. High temperatures at the coast, 88 degrees, going to 93 by Brownsville, 97 into Harlan and Raymondville and Wesco, 100 and 101 in the Upper Valley today. Very hot, very humid. Remember to drink lots of water. I know I keep saying that over and over again, but I can't say it enough. Heat-related illness really settles in very quickly. 78 will be your overnight low with a few patchy clouds overhead. 98 with a shower possible with partly sunny skies tomorrow. 100 and mainly dry for Friday. As we head into the weekend, we'll still be in the triple digits, folks, all the way through Monday. By Tuesday, an isolated shower is possible near the coast, bringing things down to about 98 or so. Over the weekend, keep in mind it will be a little bit humid as well, or a little bit breezy is what I'm saying. Overnight lows will be in the upper 70s and low 80s for the next 7 nights. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast.